Areas are customizable parts of the Blender interface and reserve screen space for editors, such as the 3D viewport. Editors are tools that we can open in our layout to visualize or modify data in Blender, depending on the type of work that we have to carry out. Every area in Blender may contain any type of editor, and it is also possible to open the same type multiple times. In this way, areas can be customized to create different layouts that are called workspaces, which can then be named and saved for later use. Besides the default layout, in the top bar, you can switch to other predefined window layouts. You can resize, split, and join areas.